Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart. I'm back with video number 2 of my, I think I'm going to do 3 videos, it looks like, of things that I'm destashing. US only, PayPal only, none of the actual boxes. If I have boxes of things, which so far everything's a box, I cannot combine for shipping. They are full. However, I do have a couple loose items that I could combine in my 3rd video. So keep that in mind. So let me start with box number 5. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I write 5 on here because I'm doing quite a few boxes. Things. So yeah, I did a lot of cleaning. All right, so in this box number 5 is this Authentique. This is the Authentique Fabulous. Brand new. I never used any of these items. So it's a complete collection, including the stickers. I also have this one, which is Jungle Safari by Echo Park. In here, I'm going to actually just include this thing too, is a bunch of stamps. I think these are, I want to say these are from Just Right. I have this set. It has this, yeah, Just Right. Best wishes on one side and these stars on the other side. I have these numbers. They fit in this thing right here. So, and then it also includes this one. It says thank you, and it has flowers on the other side. And then this one that says get well soon, and then it's got little band-aids on the other side. So there's that. Also, I've got a couple of tins, great for gift giving. Okay, and then I have these stickers, and these stickers, brand new, never used. Oh, I have another tin, so there's 3 of them. And then we have these, which are Petaloo flowers. And then we have all of these Recollections flowers. These are felt flowers. Prima flowers. These are doily flowers, Petaloo flowers, and then these right here. This is box number 5, and it's $30. Shipped. This is box number 6. All right, so this one includes this template. It includes the Merry Days gift wrap book. So the Merry Days gift wrap book, it looks sealed still, so it looks like I didn't use this one because I have 2 of them, so getting rid of this one. Also, I've got these Pebbles stickers, never used. These, I've used a couple of these. These are like foam thickers. I have these circular tins, 2 of those. Let's see, I've got 2 of these. These are Snow and Cocoa. I have this LOL washi. I don't think I used any of this. Snow and Cocoa. Chamel. Recollections Purple Flowers. Petaloo Poinsettias. These have never been used. These are Halle Berry Bits. I also have these doily ones. These, which is My Mind's Eye confetti. I did use some of these last year, but there's a whole bunch left. And then these authentic life cards. These Oh Dear Me sequin stars. These. These stickers. These stickers. I have these bits left from a pack from last year. There's all kinds of pieces in here. This one that has some stick pins. And then I bought 2 of these. I'm going to get rid of one. Distress Oxide Spray. So this is box number 6, and it is $40. All right, so this is like a planner box. This is number 7. This has Planner Society stuff. So this is hard to come by stuff. A lot of this stuff is brand new, never used stuff. All right, I think I have almost the complete kit of the one that goes with this one. So I have the paper, it's still sealed. And then I have the stickers, they're still sealed, so that'll be a surprise for you. These are, I think, cards or ephemera, still sealed. Got these, the pen, ephemera, the pen. I'm not sure what else goes with that, but oh, here it is. Here's more stuff that goes with that set. I have that, this, which are like planner cards, the bow, and then just other stuff. These are all still sealed. Probably stickers or some kind of ephemera. I have the paper that still goes with this. I also have these cards. I have the B6 what do you call this? Traveler's Notebook. All these other pieces that go with it. Oh, I also have the sticky notes that go with that other one. Sticky notes. I have some stickers, and this. Notes, all of that, including this, which is I think it's the personal size. So it's got pieces and that. This is, I don't know, just a regular sized one. I don't know what size that is, but comes with the notebook. Also included are these. So I don't think I used any of this one. Oh, I used a couple of these. This is the teacher one. A few of those got used. Some of this got used. This is the seasons. And then here is the productivity one. Okay, so this one is, I gotta make this all fit somehow. It fit, and then I took it all out to show you guys, and of course then it doesn't fit anymore, you know. Here we go. There we go. All right, so this one right here, this one is $50. Sure, yeah, $50. This is box number 7. And that is $50. And then the last box for this video is box number 8. And this is a Saw Crafters box. The Saw Crafters, you can Google them on YouTube. She's no longer in business. So this stuff is hard to come by. And basically these are NDF pieces that she cut out that make various different things. So I've made a couple things before from it, and it does make just amazing stuff. I have to ship this in a large box because it's expensive. So this makes a carousel. All the pieces still sealed. This makes a four drawer thing. I've got one already like that, and I love it. I store my jewelry in it. Like my some of my necklaces and my earrings, I store in that. This makes a closet. So this is closet number 1. This one makes it's a slider door storage. So it makes something that has a kind of slider door, I guess. And then this is an album kind of holder. So you put it together, and it's got these little grooves that you lay your albums in. And then this makes a police box. This makes a teacup. This is 2014 Happy Halloween Day. So you could just use Happy Halloween. You could just use the day. I mean, if you have something in 2014, so you can put that up and use it. And then also included are these. They're like sisters, brothers, siblings, words. And then these, because I thought that kind of matched. And then these little perfume bottles. So this is number 8, and it's $60 shipped. And so if you're interested in any of these items, please go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I have one more video. There's going to be 3.